Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day here in Franklin Township, New Jersey, also known as Franklinville. The kids go to Delsea High School. I have a 3-bed, 1-bath, bi-level home, but there's a bunch of rooms on the lower level that you could use those as you please. 1,862 square feet, and I have a 0.94 acre lot, which has tremendous amounts of space, and it's all fenced in. And I'm going to show you all that now. You have a nice asphalt driveway, and you can see that the property is lined with all these beautiful mature trees, maples and oaks. Really nice. Making our way inside, we're going to hit the top level first. You got composite flooring in most of the house, and a lot of the windows are not original, they're replacement windows. And you can see this is the typical bi-level setup. Have a nice family room. And then you have the adjacent kitchen, and the kitchen has granite countertops, gas stove, and the cabinets are really excellent quality, dovetail joints, all in good shape. You can see you have a table here where you could easily seat 4, and you could expand that out to 6, no problem. French doors out to your deck here. The hot tub, that's being sold as is, and you can see how you're elevated and you have a beautiful natural scene with all kinds of wildlife flying and squirrels, and it goes all the way back, and we'll show you that in a few minutes, how far back it goes. Have this nice stacked wood wall, gives some nice texture to the property. Bath is all nice and neat. This would be the master bedroom, so it's good size up here. Bedroom number 2, we would go through this glass French door. It's got tile flooring in here, so that will make maintenance a breeze. And then you have this smaller bedroom here. This could be used for a nursery, bedroom, closet, just as the seller's using it right now. Making our way down to the lower level, there's a bunch of rooms down here. One of them is set up as a bedroom. Use it as you please. We're going to call that a bonus room. So this would be auxiliary room, bonus room. You have a closet space there, and that door that exits to the outside. You have this room, which could be a home office, sitting area, recreational room. Use it as you please. And here you have your furnace and your central air. It's all located here. This is not that old, it's not new, but it's not original to the house, so that's been upgraded in the recent past. And you got your utilities here, washer, dryer. Making our way here, the seller's using this as an exercise room, another room that you could use as you see fit. Let's check out the outside grounds. The yard is fully fenced, and it's 0.94 acres. So fully fenced gives you all the privacy that you want. Your kids are safe, your pets are safe. Really nice setup that way. Got your septic system here. Your water well is in the front. So this area is all nice and clear the way it should be. Got this huge shed that's going to stay with the property. The cellar has lighting and electric all throughout the back here. So you know, this property illuminates beautifully in the evening hours. And you can see the expansive trees, how tall the pines are here. You have a bunch of oaks and some maples. Everything's in really nice shape. And as you make your way back to this cleared area here, you can see that it's nice and mossy underfoot. No weeds at all in here. And then you have another back expanse here that's fenced in, but it goes beyond in the distance to where that orange fence line is. That's how far the property goes back. So you have a tremendous lot here and a canvas that you could landscape the heck out of and really make this into something very special. So this is 205 Lakeview Avenue here in Franklin Township. The kids go to the Franklin Township schools, and that would be Delsea High School. So that's a really nice school system. You have real nice comfort on the inside. You have a not new, but a newer HVAC system. And you have this expansive backyard where you have 0.94 acres. And you can see that it's a lovely canvas right now as it is, but you could really turn up the volume here if you wanted to make it a landscape paradise. 1,862 square feet. If you liked the video, please share, and if you really love the video, subscribe to the channel, and this way you'll get notifications when we list these new properties, and you'll be able to bid and be the first in, and that gives you a real advantage in this very, very tight marketplace. And as always, Joe Wiessner wants to see you at the settlement table.